Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by gathering prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Install Python 3. 10+, then create and activate a virtual environment. This isolates dependencies. Next, pip install core libraries, NumPy, Pandas, scikit-learn, and either PyTorch or TensorFlow, plus Jupyter for experiments. Once done, initialize a small repository and add a requirements. TXT so you can reproduce the environment. Make sure to test imports immediately. If a library fails, reinstall or pin a compatible version to avoid silent runtime errors. Now you assemble the core pipeline and start model development. Load data with pandas, clean missing values, and split into train and test sets. An 80/20 split is a sensible default. Define a model architecture in PyTorch or Keras, selecting an appropriate loss and optimizer, then choose a learning rate and scheduler. Once defined, implement a training loop with batch iteration, gradient steps, and periodic evaluation. Also add logging and checkpoint saves so you can resume. This prevents lost progress when experiments take hours. Finish by evaluating and preparing the model for deployment. Run thorough metrics on the held-out test set. Use precision, recall, or confusion matrices where relevant, because accuracy alone can mislead. Once satisfied, export the model to ONCs or a saved model and containerize with Docker for consistent deployment. If things go wrong, first check for data leakage and mismatched preprocessing, then tune learning rate, batch size, or random seed. These usually resolve training instability. Finally, add unit tests and simple health checks before production.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.